Hello everyone, welcome to the form filling video of St. Xavier's Entrance Test 2024. Yes, the registration process has already started from 13th May 24 and that's the official link to start the registration process. Now before we see the step-by-step form filling video, let us see few important instructions. Now this is very important for all the students. Before they start filling up the form, please make sure that they go through the entire instruction which talks about the attendance, ragging and few other things. This is the minimum attendance required. Make sure you go through all the instructions before you hit the application link page. Thereafter, you have to click on this undertaking that the admission by filling up the form, and if admission is granted, I hereby agree to abide by the college rules regarding the attendance, that if my attendance is not found to be unsatisfactory, I shall not be permitted to give the semester examinations. So please go through all this undertaking and the important instructions. And for international candidates, foreign students, person of Indian origin, overseas citizen of India, NRI, kindly click on this link to apply. Depending upon the course that you want to apply, the application fees is 500 rupees and the entrance test is 2,500. Then the moment you click on that link, you will see this page. Click on register and start the registration process. But this year, the St. Xavier's Test is going to be conducted across 8 cities, and that too in the college itself. So the major cities are Pune, Delhi, Bangalore, Jaipur, Cochin, Kolkata and Guwahati. While filling up the form, you will be having an option to select one city for the St. Xavier's Entrance Test. And if the center has less than the required quantum of students for the test, you will be shifted to the nearest center. Now let us see how the shortlisting is done for the St. Xavier's College. Now the paper is going to be out of 100 marks. Category wise final merit list will be computed as under. As we can see, 60% weightage will be given to the St. Xavier's online test and 40% weightage will be given to the 12th standard marks. So it has a 60-40% weightage. Based on that, the final merit list will be issued. Now, once you click on that register link, it will ask you to fill your name, username, email ID, mobile number, password and the CAPTCHA. And after that, we need to click on sign up. The moment we click on sign up, they will send you an email verification code as well as mobile verification code. Please go to the email ID get your email verification code, and you will get a code on the mobile also. Submit the code and verify it. After you verify, then it will ask you to select the course. So as you can see, now very important, the course BMS has changed to BCom in Management Studies. So if you want to apply for this course, the last date to apply is 5th of June for all the courses, and the exam will be held on 13th June 2024. So let's say if I want to apply for BMS, you will click on apply and the form will start. Now, as you can see, it's a 5-step process. The step number 1 is the personal information, followed by qualification. Then we have documents, application review, and finally is the payment. Now, starting with personal information, we have to fill the first name, last name, mother's name, and date of birth. After that, we have to select or submit the place of birth, gender, your domicile status, nationality, religion. Select the caste. If you have any disability, you will have to submit the certificate also in the PDF format. And admission category, depending upon what category you belong to, select the appropriate category. After that, it will ask you to fill up the parents' details. Make sure you fill the correct details. Permanent address, please make sure you mention the city code correctly in the form. Then permanent address and correspondent address is same, mention that accordingly. And examination center, there are 8 centers. If you are in Mumbai, you can select the Mumbai center. Then click on save and continue. After that, it will ask you for the academic qualifications. So if you have passed your 12th standard and if you have got your mark sheet, they will ask you to upload the mark sheet as well, which should be in the PDF format. However, if you have not got your results, you will click on appearing, then it will not ask you to upload the mark sheet. Then after that, we have to mention the names of all the subjects, the marks that you have obtained and the out of marks. It will calculate the entire percentage. Click on save and continue. Then very important to upload the photograph and the sign. These are the prerequisites. File size should not be more than 1 MB for all the documents. Please upload files in the following format. Applicable format is JPG. Please upload the recent color size photograph and the signature must be on a white paper with black pen. So make sure you keep all this document ready before you start filling up the form. Then upload the documents as per the mentioned size and the format. You have to upload your photograph and the signature. After uploading the documents, it will ask you to review the entire form that you have filled. Please make sure you check the spelling mistake. If there is any spelling error, please check the entire name, address, your mobile number, date of birth. After going through the entire application form, at the end, it will just ask you to make the payment. So payment total amount to be paid is rupees 3,000. The moment you click on pay 3,000, it will show you the appropriate mode of payment. Click on the appropriate mode, make the payment, the form is done. Wishing you guys all the best. Thank you.